Your Kia Optima key fob from 2014 to 2020 uses a CR2032 battery. To replace it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, gently pry open the key fob case. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity with positive side up. Clean the contacts if corroded. This is a common cause of remote failure. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. These batteries typically cost $5 to $10, and the process can save you from expensive dealer fees. If your remote doesn't work after replacing the battery, first, double-check the battery polarity. Make sure the positive side faces up in the key fob. If polarity is correct, reprogram the key fob. For models after 2018, cycle the ignition by inserting and removing the key 5 times. Some models can be reprogrammed using the Kia Connect app, which resets the key fob's signal sync with your car's computer. If these steps don't work, especially with corrosion from battery replacement, visit the dealership for a firmware update.